One of our clients made an interesting request after signing with us. They wanted a fourth floor, but without the house looking like it had a fourth floor. We respected the request, but it definitely added an exciting challenge to the project. The subdivision's homeowners associations has restriction on structure exceeding 3 stories. So our first step was to thoroughly review the deeds of restrictions and design guidelines to confirm what was possible while still meeting the client's goals. We also prepared a detailed project brief that outlined the client's lifestyle, preferences, and space requirements. This became our guiding framework throughout the design process. Using these parameters, we carefully planned the house with predetermined space allocation and height limitations. Our solution was to strategically incorporate a loft level within the third floor, allowing us to create a functional fourth level while maintaining the compliance with the subdivision's regulation and preserving the extended exterior appearance. It was a fun and rewarding design challenge within the first month. We were able to develop and secure approval for design on a 300 square meter lot that effectively accommodated 4 levels of living space. This project is a great example of how thoughtful architectural planning can turn restrictions into opportunities.